music and video.
Oh. Wait, is it a video?
Everybody's gonna love today.
Hey.
Gonna love today.
What?
Gonna love today.
Excuse me?
Everybody's
What?
gonna love today.
Hit
Gonna
it.
love
What?
today.
What?
Anyway you want to. Anyway you got to. Love, love me. Love, love me.
I don't know what that was. Okay. Okay, everybody is on this play.
I really want those hands.
Oh my god! Aaron, what are you doing? So we're waiting for the subway here in New York. We're at 81st Street.
81st Street Museum of Natural History.
Which was whack because we only had like half an hour to look.
40 minutes.
Oh, excuse me. This is for the tube. Hi, YouTube people. Oh, for those of you that watch our wake up call video,
You suck.
yeah. And if you have something to say, if you don't like our shit, don't watch it.
Yeah.
Here, say hi.
Hi.
Is it still recording?
Yeah. And the only way you can stop is if you press that button.
All right.
So you're just recording my face. Make me want to do something stupid.
Why not? That's all we
That's been our thing for New York because I did something at someone's house. Where were we? The terminal?
Huh?
In San Francisco, we're at the terminal.
Oh.
Where were we? We were somewhere.
Up your ass.
And I.
Once every
Their butt? In your butt? It's in your butt? In your butt? What? No, but yeah, I was doing something and I was like, something crazy.
once in a while, a little tornado will come up.
Run, bitch, run.
Run faster.
Bitch, run.
Get away.
Faster.
Go faster.